Hello, welcome to today's morning message. My name is Mark Etling. I know that Father Bill introduced me to you yesterday, but I want to tell you just a little bit about myself. I became part of the St. Nicholas staff in late October after having worked at the Shrine of Our Lady of the Snows. I'm a resident of St. Louis. And so far here at the parish, I have given some talks about, mostly about Scripture, about how to read Scripture, about the infancy narratives in the Gospels, things like that. So let's ask the question, what is the morning message anyway? So this is how we envision the morning message. We see it as a 2 to 3 minute reflection, Monday through Friday, that might be on any one of a number of different subjects or sources. It might be something that comes from Scripture. It might be something that comes from the history of the church or from the teachings of the church. It might be something about one of the saints or a special feast day that occurs during the year. So what do we hope that the morning message will do for you? We hope that you will see it as a chance to reflect, to think, to feel something about the spiritual life. Some days it may be a word of comfort to you. On other days it may be a word of challenge. It may challenge your thinking about the spiritual life or about life itself. On other days, it may be, there may be a humorous note to it. So that's what we have in mind for the morning message. I hope that you will choose to listen, to watch, and please offer your feedback and offer your suggestions for what you would like to see and hear on the morning message. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And I hope you'll tune in again tomorrow. Have a good day.